Hey there, garden lovers! Ever found yourself locked in a battle with those stubborn weeds that just won't quit? Well, today we're diving into a showdown between two popular DIY weed killers, vinegar and baking soda. Which one will come out on top? Stay tuned to find out. Grab your garden gloves and get ready because we're about to discover if these household staples can really save your garden. Spoiler alert! You might be surprised by the results. First up, let's meet our contenders. In this corner, we have vinegar, the tangy kitchen staple. And in the other corner, we have baking soda, the trusty all-around cleaner. Both are known for their power to tackle tough weeds, but which one actually works better? We're going to test these contenders on these pesky weeds right here. But first, let's talk about how each one is supposed to work. Vinegar is acidic. When sprayed directly on weeds, it dries them out by pulling moisture from the leaves. Most DIY recipes suggest using white vinegar with a 5% acetic acid concentration. For tougher weeds, you might see recommendations for a stronger solution. But remember, higher concentrations can also harm your other plants. Baking soda, on the other hand, works differently. It's alkaline and creates a hostile environment for weeds. When sprinkled on the weeds, it disrupts their cellular structure, making it hard for them to survive. Some gardeners even mix it with water to increase its effectiveness. Alright, let's put these to the test. We'll treat one section of weeds with vinegar and another with baking soda. Then we'll wait a few days and see what happens. Ready, let's do it. We'll check back in a few days to see how our treatments are doing. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video so far. 3 days later, let's see the results. First, let's look at the vinegar-treated area. As you can see, the vinegar did a pretty good job. The weeds are definitely looking worse for wear, but it's worth noting that it can also affect the soil and nearby plants if you're not careful. Now, onto the baking soda-treated section. Let's see how it fared. The baking soda did weaken the weeds, but it's not as dramatic as the vinegar. It seems to work best on smaller, younger weeds. Plus, it's gentler on the soil around your plants. So, who's the winner? It really depends on what you're dealing with. Vinegar is great for a quick, powerful punch, especially for more established weeds. But you need to be cautious of its effects on surrounding plants. Baking soda is milder and works well for lighter weed problems without harming the soil. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific garden needs. These methods? Let us know in the comments below which one you prefer. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy weeding!